YouTube, greetings from Costa Rica. Today I'm going to be showing you how to put connectors on 23 AWG Cat6A cable. First you slide the rubber protector on over the cable, and I'll be cutting the cable with this Stanley because it's got a nice cutting blade in it. And you just want to score it. I go 2 clicks on this and then give it a spin and then hit the release, twist the release knob on the side and drop the cable. Now pick it back up and strip the outer rubber sheath off, and you can peel the aluminum back, and as you unwrap it there's a plastic that came off, and I just use a lighter to burn the fiberglass. You can cut it though, a little fiberglass string piece inside. Then you're going to want to pull back your wire pairs and put them north, south, east, west. It doesn't matter what order right now. And you want to be cutting the center cortex off of the inside of the wire. You don't need that. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is untwist all of the pairs in order to straighten out the wires. Once you unravel each wire, you'll see that they're really spiraled and stuck in a spiral sort of position. You want to, the easiest way I've been able to do it is put the wire sheath that you cut off and flip it over the wire, and then you can use your teeth to gently pull the wire straight. You might have to do it 1 or 2 times, but it's the fastest way I've been able to do it safely without ruining any of the wires. Just give it a gentle pull, maybe put 2 teeth on it, and pretty soon you'll have 8 straight wires. What you're going to want to do is arrange them in order. After you get them straight, you're going to want to go from left to right, starting with the orange-white wire, and then the orange wire, and then the green and white wire, and then the blue wire. Then the blue and white wire, and then the green wire, and then the brown and white wire, and finally the brown wire. So I'm just arranging those in that order and kind of holding them down with my left thumb while I put them in place with my right hand. And kind of just pull them together and wiggling them. Once you get them straight and all of them in a row, wiggling them tends to help line them up in place. Got a few different methods. And now I've got them all straight. One of them is out of place here. Make sure that the white wires, white and green, white and brown, white and orange, those ones will all be on one side when you put the strain on it, and the other ones will fall to the other side. So every other wire should be white in this grouping. Then I'm going to cut them off at an angle. Nice little angle there. And this is the guide that fits inside of the connector. I'll slide them through the boxy end of the guide and they'll come out the holes. If you do it right, they'll come out the holes on the other side. So one side you'll see color, and one side will be all the white wires, if you did it right. Now you can see that the orange is on my left, and so this connector, I have it so that the pin's down, orange is on the left. And you slide it in, you have to line it up, have the guide close to the end of the wires, but not all the way off. Have it close so it lines up, fits through the connector. Push it all the way until the red sheathing passes through the metal part of this VCELINK connector. These are VCE Cat7, Cat6A, RJ45 shielded pass-through connectors. And I'm following the T568B wiring standard. I'm actually making 100-meter long security camera cables. So now I've got the VCELINK crimping tool that's specific for these connectors. And I have to make sure it's pushed in all the way before I crimp, and it doesn't crimp, and it snips off those outside wires. Next thing I'll do is put the little metal support that crimps onto the cable, and I'm going to crimp that. The two little arms of it around the wire, so it's got a nice fit right there. And then I just pull up the outer plastic sheathing or connector, and it's good to go. Thanks for watching, and pura vida.